It's time to forget all your kitchen chores. You can now bake a delicious cake and grill a juicy chicken with 60 RCSS OTG from Morphy Richards. Morphy Richards 60 RCSS is a multi-purpose oven, toaster and griller, which is made to give you some amazing baking results in your home kitchen. Welcome to the demo of Morphy Richards 60 RCSS OTG. The stainless steel body along with stylish mirror door makes this a perfect fit in your kitchen. This large and powerful OTG will surely give a striking appearance to your kitchen. The 60 RCSS OTG comes with a removable crumb tray to keep your OTG clean, a wire rack to cook lip-smacking tikkas and kebabs, a rotisserie set which will help you grill your chicken just like you have it in a restaurant, a common tong for handling hot trays, a baking tray for easy baking. There is a special rotisserie tong. The OTG is bundled with 4 additional skewers. There are 4 heating elements in this OTG for quick and speedy cooking. The front of the OTG houses 3 knobs: temperature knob, function select knob, and the timer knob. There are 4 different modes in the function select knob, which makes this OTG highly versatile in its nature. The 60 RCSS OTG is capable of taking wide-range tasks, which include grilling, toasting, and baking. How can you forget the added rotisserie mode? Preheat the oven for 10 minutes before using any of the desired functions. The toast function is used for light cooking, which requires minimum heat. Toast some bread pizza and set the time and temperature. And it's done! The baking function is best suited for cakes and pizzas. Place the marble cake mold on top of the baking tray. Place the tray inside the oven. Switch to bake mode and set the time and temperature. Delicious marble cake is ready. Place the pizza inside the oven. Set the time and temperature. Delicious pizza is ready to be served. The grill function is best suited for grilling meat and vegetables. Place the mushroom skewers on top of the wire rack. Place the rack inside the oven. Set the time and temperature. And you are done. The rotisserie function is perfect mode to make roast meat and those lip-smacking kebabs. Place the chicken on the rotisserie rod. Put it inside the oven. Switch to rotisserie mode and set the time and temperature. Tandoori chicken is ready. With its 60-liter capacity and 2 years of warranty, this OTG is surely going to be a long-lasting member in your kitchen. The stylish and convenient to use 60 RCSS OTG is a fully loaded OTG from Morphy Richards. It will surely help in effortless cooking and make your baking journey delightful and simple.
Cook like a pro with Magicook Convection range of microwaves. Here's an elegant and easy-to-use all-in-one range of convection microwaves with multi-heat technology. It helps you cook a variety of dishes with up to 7 different heat modes. Baking, grilling, steaming, shallow frying, and many more. All is possible in this one microwave. The double quartz heater lets you cook your favorite tandoori recipes. This feature heats up the microwave cavity up to 230 degrees. That helps in cooking tandoori delicacies with ease. Enjoy guilt-free delicacies with this zero oil cooking feature that ensures great taste with no oil. So, get ready to choose from a wide variety of pre-programmed auto-cook menus or fix a quick snack with 9 pre-programmed meals at the touch of a button with Magicook Pro Convection Microwave. This microwave comes with a stainless steel cavity that helps you with uniform heating, which ensures consistent cooking. Now cook in a smart and convenient way with Magicook Pro Convection Microwave. Pay online using debit or credit card or via net banking. For EMI options and further information, refer to the product page.
Samsung technology, the new faster way to oven cook. Samsung Salo-fry technology convection microwave oven. It comes in 21-liter, 28-liter, and 32-liter capacity range. It features Salo-fry technologies, wide grill, Indian recipe, and ceramic inside. The Salo-fry technology combines a grill with hot air circulation for the food to be cooked crispy inside and out, using only a touch of oil. You can enjoy healthier fried food without a deep fryer. Wide grill enhances grilling and browning effects compared to conventional grill heaters. This wide grill enables you to cook food more evenly by improving coverage up to 99%. Its Indian recipe setting is optimized and pre-programmed for more than 300 Indian recipes. You can even enjoy homemade curd or dough with the fermentation function. The durable ceramic inside prevents the spread of bacteria because its smooth surface is easy to clean and scratch resistant. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Salo-fry technology convection microwave oven.
IFB presents a 30-liter convection microwave oven. It has a 30-liter capacity, which is suitable for large families. The multi-stage cooking feature, which blends 3 levels of cooking across the microwave, grill, and convection modes to give faster and convenient cooking. The auto-cook feature in this microwave oven takes the guesswork out of cooking non-recipe convenience foods. The sensor automatically sets and maintains the correct power levels and cooking times by sensing the steam from the food as it cooks. Steam cleaning uses steam power to lift grease and grime from the oven, leaving your oven wipe clean in just 15 minutes. Simply fill the steam clean container with water and detergent. Then, at the touch of a button, the steam cleaning process begins. Explore new flavors in cuisines at the touch of a button with 101 standard menu options. You can set the cooking time automatically with the fermentation feature. The microwave oven with 10 cooking power levels is equipped with rotisserie, which comes in handy while preparing food that needs to be crispy. The Keep Warm feature keeps your food warm for 90 minutes without overcooking it. The child safety lock ensures your kids are safe in the kitchen even while you are not watching. The deodorizing feature helps in keeping the microwave oven free from odor and germs. The microwave oven comes with brand warranty and a user manual. Check the product page for attractive no-cost EMI and details on scheduled delivery.